All right, so what's going on, family? Today we're going to talk about Algorand to see if a price crash is coming. You guys can see from our last video or price prediction, I've expected the market in Algo to go higher, but as you can tell, those sellers that's been within this sell pocket of 44 cents to 48 cents, they're still there. So the market doesn't want to go up right now, which could lead to, like I said earlier, a price crash. So could we see 35 cents or 55 cents over the next couple of days? Welcome everyone to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my content. I'm simply here to give our people a heads up as to where we suspect the market's going to go. So if you guys want to join me, make sure you guys follow me. All right, so check this out. I don't like the fact that the sellers in Algorand are still here. My expectation when I did the video in Algo on the 20th of January was, okay, I'm looking for those buyers to try to eliminate these sellers. So I was looking for price to kind of hug this pocket of selling, but instead we're still seeing that those buyers are not giving us that type of price action. The 21st, the 22nd, 23rd, and the 24th of January, we can see price slightly, but it is still trending down. Now, this is going to be the lifesaver. And I want everyone to look at this. If the market in Algorand continues to hold this pocket of buying, then we live to see another day of price going up in Algo. But the moment that we see the market in Algo break this pocket of buying, I would look for a bigger move to the downside. Now, will I equate it to a crash? Not necessarily, but a move lower could actually instill a bigger move lower because people aren't expecting it, especially as we've seen price over the last week or so holding this pocket of buying. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame, because if we still see weakness on the longer term charts, then we might need to get ahead of this move. So let's look at this real quick. So here's Algorand on the 2. When you feel bullish, or are you feeling bearish on the 2-day chart? Here is Algo on the 3. Are you bullish? Or are you bearish? What about on the 4? This is the last printed 4-day bar in the market for Algo. Bullish or bearish? The market in Algo. So let me break down this chart. This 4-day bar right here was fantastic for us to expect continuation to move higher, right? But following that bar, look at the other 2 4-day price bars that's printed. Yes, this gave us a probable precursor of strength, so we need to look into the next 4-day bar, but you can see it closed down. The market closed lower than this last probable precursor of strength. We needed to see price close higher, but instead it closed lower, which tells us that these sellers are still active in this pocket of selling, 44 cents to 48 cents. Take a look at Algo on the 5. Same thing here on the 5. 7 hours, 42 minutes left. If this market closes lower than the prior 5-day bar, we have to say that the market is not bullish. We just have to say it for the time being. And might need to get prepared to see price in Algo go lower. Like, everyone sees the same type of information. I'm not giving you anything that nobody else has access to. But the way that I'm delivering it, how I'm able to break it down, is the thing that they're not delivering to you. So we need to get prepared, in my opinion, for price in Algo to continue to dip, to continue to go lower. Okay. So let me look at this on the 5-hour chart. So yeah, this is telling me that those buyers are still here down in this pocket. So we might see the market lift. I get it. But my concern is being reflected on the 4 and the 5-day charts. So yes, we could see a small bounce into the market in Algo, but in the 4 and 5-day span, that market could return back lower and break this pocket of buying. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. This is where those buyers are coming in. You see that buy signal right here on this 330? Following that bar, we wanted to see, which we didn't get. Okay, we didn't get that. We wanted to see Algo go higher. We want to see price elevate, but we didn't see that. This is where the market gets stuck. See that? Right there around 42 cents. So we're not getting the follow through, which we need to see. Algo was not giving us the follow through. If they don't want to follow through, then guess what? We're not going to participate then. Okay. So let me do this. We're going to get rid of this price prediction here on the daily chart. If we were to get out the market now, we will be down, what, almost 10%. And we're going to include our newest idea, which is for price to go down in algo. Now, if the market holds that buy pocket, I'm telling you now, this is not going to be right. So if you see this market go in and continue to hold this buy pocket, that's telling you that our price prediction is not right. So we know what we're up against in that particular round. But I'm going to look for the market in algo to come and test this other pocket down here, 31 cents to 33 cents. At the high of that pocket is around 18.63%. Then at the lows around 20, almost 21% move. Okay. Now that would take us breaking this fantastic trend that has been in place since the beginning of November, which could also potentially push the market all the way back down to 28 cents, which is around 30.15% there. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to look forward to the market in algo to continue to dip, to continue to go lower. And the only thing that would negate that idea would be the buyers holding this pocket of buying right here. That's the only thing. So I'll keep my eyes open on that to see if those buyers are going to hold that area. Because if so, then we need to make another quick switch and look for price in algo to go up. Okay. So yeah, go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.